Welcome, students, family, friends, faculty, and staff. We are here to celebrate your achievements over the past few years, whether you are graduating with a bachelor's degree or you're a graduate student who has finished your own project and defended it to those who are now your colleagues. And yes, we are here to celebrate. I know this is a virtual ceremony and it's in no way a good replacement for the real thing, but I am hopeful that we can applaud your achievements in person at a later date. I'm Heather Koopman, the chair of this great department. And these fine people with me are our department's faculty and staff who have taught, mentored, and guided you over the past few years. And here they are.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to you all.
We are here to celebrate what you have done and to encourage you as you move on to the next phase in your life. Perhaps a job in the field or an internship, graduate school, or a postdoctoral fellowship. We're thinking about where you've been, what you've done, and where you're going. And that's something I want to emphasize. Take the time to think about all that you have seen and done. I was reminded about this when I looked at the scene behind me. This is a picture I took during a trip to the Fram Strait off Norway in the Arctic that I was fortunate to go on about a year ago. It was a fantastic, once-in-a-lifetime experience, and in light of everything that we're focused on right now, I had forgotten how wonderful it was. So make sure that you give yourself the time to reflect on the positive things in life. So first we're going to acknowledge some important people, and then I'll say a few words about the importance of today. Then we will have the Undergraduate Student Awards, and then we will recognize our graduating graduate students and our graduating undergraduate students. So the first thing you need to do is acknowledge some very important people in your lives, ones that have been supporting you while you've been here at UNCW. I'm talking about three special groups of people: your families, your friends, and the faculty and staff of the biology and the marine biology department. So graduates, in your own homes, in your own places, please take a minute to acknowledge and thank the extensive support system you have had. And I'm imagining that I'm hearing from all of you now a round of applause. Now, I know the road you have traveled has not been easy. A university degree is challenging to begin with. It's supposed to be. We want you to learn, and more importantly, we want you to learn how to think critically so that you can apply what you know to the world around you and the issues that concern you. An academic program should be rigorous, thought-provoking, and require hard work and determination. And you're here today, so you have demonstrated that you have mastered all of these challenges. For many of you, your time at UNCW has been marked by even greater challenges than those faced by most university students. If you're a senior now, that meant you were likely here in the fall of 2018 when Hurricane Florence destroyed Dobo Hall, many labs went online, classes were moved to ballrooms, and some of your research ground to a halt. But we got through that together. And now we're in the middle of a pandemic. We're worried about our safety, our families, our friends, our future, and in addition to the concerns we've always had about our planet and its future. Things are uncertain. And as I said to you a few weeks ago, we're in uncharted waters. But this is not a time to live in fear. This is a time to be strong, careful, and deliberate. Famous scientists can remind us what's important. As the great Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood." Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. That message has even more relevance to us now, today, than it normally does. Don't be afraid to take bold new steps and try new things, even if they seem scary or completely different from anything that you've done before. From Niels Bohr, an expert is a person who has made all the mistakes that can be made in a very narrow field. We all learn from our mistakes. Following along those lines, remember that some major discoveries have been made by accident or while looking for something else, or while not knowing exactly what you're looking for. Albert Einstein reminds us that imagination is more important than knowledge. And Werner von Braun said, "Research is what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing." Take pride in what you do know and use it to shape your future. You have years of knowledge, training, and experience from your time in our department. Remember what Louis Pasteur said, "Chance favors those who are prepared." Even if you don't know exactly what's coming next, you're prepared for it. Remember those who have come before you and what they have discovered. Science, as you know, is an iterative process, that builds on previous knowledge, and nothing is done in a vacuum. As Isaac Newton said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." And finally, as you move forward with your scientific career, also remember the very important words of Eugenie Clark, noted shark biologist and conservationist. "We ignore public understanding of science at our peril." Again, use what you know to help others understand the importance and value of science. And this statement has never been more true. So value what you've learned and the experience you've gained and the friends you made along your path at UNCW. From here, I encourage you to go forth with confidence, heavily laced with kindness and humility. And now, more congratulations are in order as we will virtually present some awards. I get the one for the missing hat. First, the Biology and Marine Biology Service Award. This is given to a graduating senior who mixes academic achievement with service to the department, university, and community. This is open to all majors within the Biology, Marine Biology umbrella. And this year, this award goes to Savannah Victoria Miller. The Biology Achievement Award is the graduating senior with the highest academic standing or achievement who majors in the biology programs administered by our department. And this year's winner is Alicia Michelle Dishman. The Marine Biology Achievement Award is for the graduating senior with the highest academic standing or achievement majoring in one of the marine biology programs administered by our department. And this year's winner is Michaela Grace Sonnenfeld. And then our final award this year is the Honors Poster Award, which this year goes to a poster entitled "Determining the Migratory Behavior of Seaside Sparrows via Radio Telemetry" to Juan Daniel Zuluaga. And so now let's have a round of applause from everyone for our award winners. Excellent. Now, several faculty members will read the names, degrees, accomplishments, and plans for our graduating students, starting with the graduate students and then our bachelor's graduates.
For the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Marine Biology, James Evans. Advisors, Dr. Susanna Lopez-Legentil, Dr. Patrick Irwin. Dissertation title, Microbial Symbionts of Sessile Marine Invertebrates. Awards and honors, Francis Peter Fenzel Memorial Fellowship, Graduate Teaching Award, the David G. Lindquist Scholarship in Biology, Owen Grand Keenan Scholarship, Honorable Mention, Graduate Student Oral Presentation, Benthic Ecology Meeting 2019, American Society for Microbiology, North Carolina Branch Student Travel Award, Summer Research Stipend, UNCW Center for Marine Science, Biology Graduate Student Association Travel Grant, and Graduate School Travel Award. Future plans for Dr. Evans, marine biology research and teaching. For the degree of Master of Science in Biology, Kelsey Billett. Advisors, Dr. Martin Posey and Dr. Suzanne Brander. Thesis title, Using Molecular Biomarkers to Determine Possible Effects of Shellfish Aquaculture on Native Populations of Chrysostria virginica. Connor Cribb. Advisor, Dr. Art Frampton. For the degree of Master of Science in Marine Biology, David John Belkowski. Advisor, Dr. Fred Scharf. Thesis title, Trophic Ecology and Population Demographics of Non-Native Catfishes in the Lower Cape Fear River. Future plans, state or federal biologist job working in fisheries management and population biology. Jackson Bialek. Advisor, Dr. Thomas Langford. Yanina Annabella Siriani. Advisor, Dr. Stephen D. Emsley. Thesis title, Stable Isotope Analysis of Multiple Tissues from Chick Carcasses of 3 pygoscelid penguins in Antarctica. Emily Fox. Advisor, Dr. Allison Taylor. Thesis title, Phagotrophy in the diploid coccolithophore Scyphosphaera abstenii, haptophyta. Awards and honors, Owen G. Keenan Memorial Scholarship. Spencer Gardner. Advisor, Dr. Fred Scharf. Danielle Goldberg. Advisor, Dr. Fred Scharf. Madison Little. Advisor, Dr. Martin Posey. Thesis title, Influence of Oyster Structures, Reefs, and Aquaculture Operations on Adjacent and Faunal Assemblages. Future plans, publish thesis research, and start the UNCW Marine Biology PhD program in January 2021. Caitlin Chamblot. Advisor, Dr. Stephanie Kamel. J.C. Schumann. Advisor, Dr. Joe Covey. Thesis title, Temporal and Spatial Variation of Crustacean Zooplankton Communities in the Eutrophic Lake. Future plans, teaching biology at the community college or high school level, starting by teaching at Brunswick Community College for their summer semester. Olivia Strite. Advisors, Dr. Susanna Lopez-Legentil, Dr. Patrick Irwin. Thesis title, Diversity and Relative Abundance of Native and Non-Native Assyrians in Puerto Rico. Awards and honors, Owen Keenan Grand Scholarship for 2 years, BioGSA President. Future plans, eventually join a PhD program in marine biology, working with invasive species and invertebrates, hopefully still with sea squirts. Hannah Thurlow. Advisor, Dr. Martin Posey. Thesis title, Influence of Varying Natural Habitats on Nectin and Epifauna Use of Oyster Chrysostria virginica Aquaculture.
Hannah Albanese, BS in Marine Biology, minor in Environmental Studies. Brandon Allen, BS in Marine Biology with Marine Conservation option. Charlie Allen, BA in Biology. Nicole Amato, BS in Biology, interned as a veterinary assistant at Forest Hills Veterinary Hospital. Future plans, applying to vet schools in the fall. Carlos Miguel Aragon, BS in Biology with a minor in Chemistry. Climate change intern under National Ecology Observatory Network in Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin. Study abroad at the University of Wollongong, Australia. Future plans, graduate school ex situ, conservation of plants or conservation horticulture in the Atlanta Botanical Garden. John Badia III, BS in Biology. Kaylin Baker, BA in Biology. George Banglow, BS in Biology. Caitlin Barrett, BS in Marine Biology with Marine Conservation option. Tamron Becker, BS in Biology. Camera Bell, BS in Biology. Nicholas Blackburn, BS in Biology, minor in Psychology with a second minor in Neuroscience. Alexandra Blackman, BS in Biology, minor in Neuroscience, future plans for attending a cytotechnology program in Charlotte, North Carolina. Alexandra Blassingame, BS in Biology. Alexander Nicholas Bloitzen, BS in Marine Biology, honors thesis with Dr. Martin Posey, comparing nekton habitat utilization among Belizean and Cape Fear River habitats. Study abroad at Calabash Key, Belize. Future plans are attending UNCW and the International MBA graduate program with a focus in entrepreneurship. Ashlyn Boyd, BS in Biology. Matthew Bradley, BS in Marine Biology, minor in Chemistry, honors thesis with Dr. Richard Satterley, a review of the utilization and function of suction cups across invertebrate groups. Interned at Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue and Rehabilitation Center, learning and conservation of an endangered species, and how to properly care for injured and sick turtles. Future plans, veterinary school, then hopefully a veterinary ophthalmologist. Thomas Brownsteiner, BS in Biology, minor in Neuroscience with a second minor in Chemistry.
Devian Brown, BS in Marine Biology with a second major in Environmental Science with a biological option. Ivan Browning, BS in Marine Biology with a conservation option and a minor in Chemistry. Did an internship with the Alchemy Corporation in Wilmington, prospecting new clients for pharmaceutical testing. Future plans are to go into environmental monitoring for a year or two and then hopefully attend graduate school at UNCW to get a master's in marine biology. Ayla Bush, BS in Marine Biology, BA in Spanish. Blanca Cabrera Duran, BS in Biology with a minor in Psychology. Did a DIS with Dr. Graciela Espinoza Hernandez of the Psychology Department on sexuality, romantic relationships, and psychological adjustment among middle and late adolescents of Mexican origin living in both Mexico and in the United States. Future plans are to become a dental hygienist. Shannon Calabro, BS in Marine Biology with a conservation option. Samantha Calderon, BS in Marine Biology. Did a DIS with Dr. Raymond Danner on animal migration with a focus on birds and received the CSURF Research Scholarship Supplies Award. Also was a living exhibitions intern at the Discovery Place Science in Charlotte, North Carolina. Samantha plans to be a dive programs day instructor at UNCW Marine Quest. Sean Cameron, BS in Marine Biology, and a second major in Environmental Science with a biological option, and a third major, a BA in Psychology. Rachel Campbell, BS in Marine Biology. Sophia Campuzano, BS in Marine Biology. Did a DIS with Dr. Soongu Lee in the chemistry department on the structural characterization of phosphoethanolamine methyltransferases in the phosphocline. Was also a research assistant for a North Carolina Sea Grant project on sea level rise and marsh sparrows, and a research assistant for diamondback terrapin surveying and analysis. Maya Cancro, BS in biology with a minor in psychology. Diana Capra, BS in biology. Sarah Lynn Carlton, BA in biology, was an environmental education intern at Airlie Gardens in Wilmington, North Carolina, and plans to work at Marine Quest this summer and continue to volunteer at Airlie Gardens. Carly Carmack, BS in marine biology, did a DIS with Dr. Jesse Jarvis, studying seagrass and developing outreach material, and did a DIS with Dr. Wilbur, learning hatchery operations. Carly has been admitted to the Masters of Arts in Teaching program at UNCW with the plan to teach secondary science upon completion. Lindsay Carnes, BS in biology with a minor in chemistry. Kaylee Casade, BS in biology with a minor in psychology. Did a DIS with Dr. Kate Bruce of the psychology department, studying stimulus control relations in rodents. Was also a living conservatory intern at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Science, and plans to attend graduate school to study animal behavior in the future. Brandy Castleberry, BS in marine biology with a minor in psychology. Kirsten Renee Chandler, BS in biology, plans to pursue a career in the pharmaceutical industry and further her education. Catherine Angelina McCabe Chiavello, BS in marine biology, did a DIS with Dr. Tom Langford, studying the life history characteristics of spiny dogfish harvested commercially in North Carolina waters to test stock structure for the United States East Coast. Also did an internship with the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue and Rehabilitation Center in Surf City, North Carolina. Also studied abroad at Maynooth University in Ireland in 2016 and the Calabash Cay Field Station in Belize in 2019. Future plans are to move to Bimini, Bahamas for a new position as the Bimini Shark Labs project student, where she will be working alongside a PhD student and conducting research on lemon sharks.
Melvin Chicas, major in biology, minor in chemistry and neuroscience. Kaylee Selinsky, major in biology. Emily Austin Clancy, major in marine biology and in environmental science with biological option. DIS with Dr. Jesse Jarvis, entitled Zostra Marina Seed Bank Resiliency Following Hurricane Florence. Internship at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, entitled Interannual Variation in Growth and Size at Age of Spawning Sand Lance on Stellwagen Bank. Study abroad locations include a semester in Australia and spring break in Belize. Future plans are to take a gap year to work as a lab technician before going to graduate school. Vitaly Michael Klein, major in biology with a minor in business. Study abroad location was El Salvador, and future plans are to take a gap year while working at the hospital as a certified nursing assistant. After that, attending PA school. Emily Clinton, major in biology with a minor in Spanish. Internship was at the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Hospital in Topsail, North Carolina. Study abroad location was in Valencia, Spain for Hispanic studies. Future plans are unknown, but include a desire to work in conservation, horticulture, or aquaculture. Anna Cobb, major in marine biology with a marine conservation option. Ashley Coley, major in biology. Vincent Colucciello, major in biology and a BA in philosophy and religion with a concentration in philosophy. Samuel Comer, major in marine biology. Cynthia Alexis Correa, major in biology with minors in chemistry and psychology. DIS with Dr. Art Frampton entitled Determining the Presence of Viral Genomic Sequences of Colonid Herpes Virus 5 in Local Sea Turtles. Future plans are to attend a medical university. Stephen Creighton, major in marine biology with the marine conservation option and in environmental science with a biological option. Alex Crook, major in biology. Mary Elizabeth Crouch, major in marine biology with a minor in chemistry. Internship at the Greensboro Science Center as an aquarium intern. Elizabeth Marie Darguzis, major in biology with minors in neuroscience and psychology. Study abroad was at the University of Waikato in New Zealand. Alex Del Fava, major in biology with a minor in Spanish. Jeremy Denning, major in biology with a minor in neuroscience. Caitlin Devodia, major in marine biology. Alicia Dishman, major in biology and in environmental science with biological option.
Haley Dunlow, major in biology with a minor in chemistry. Future plans are to attend optometry school at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. Daniel Duval, major in biology with a minor in chemistry. Wade Eatman, major in marine biology. Lydia Edmonds, major in biology with minors in chemistry and forensic science. Megan Edwards, double major in marine biology and environmental science. Completed a directed individual study with Dr. Martin Posey and Mr. Troy Alphen entitled Culturing of Invertebrates. Completed internships at the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher and the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue and Rehabilitation Center. Studied abroad at the Calabash Cay Research Station in Belize. Future plans are to pursue a career in their field with hopes of helping to rehabilitate marine animals. Emily Ayresman, double major in biology and environmental science with a minor in chemistry. Future plans are to complete an internship in a laboratory over the summer and then move out of the state to find a full-time job. Lauren Elderkin, double major in marine biology and film studies. Completed an internship as a marine mammal intern at the Clearwater Aquarium in Florida and studied abroad at the University of Wollongong, Australia. Future plans are to get into veterinary school and specialize in dentistry or surgery with exotic animals. Lauren Jean Ellis, major in biology. Future plans are to enroll in a physician's assistant program. Sarah Evans, major in biology with a minor in data science. Anna Everett, major in biology. Catherine Farias, major in biology with a minor in psychology. Brandon Flom, major in biology. Hannah Flynn, major in biology with a minor in chemistry, completed a directed individual study and honors thesis with Dr. Kevin Kaiser entitled The Horizontal Gene Transfer of SH-FABL and Reduced Sensitivity to Triclosan in Staphylococcus aureus isolates from healthy carriers. Completed internships at Alchemy and Grifols. Future plan is to work in pharmaceuticals while studying to take the MCAT for medical school. Ariana France, major in biology with a minor in chemistry, completed a directed individual study with Dr. Brooks Avery, investigating PFAS sediments. Future plan is to attend dental school. Seweta Gaspar, major in biology. Future plan is to become a dentist. Malene Mary George, major in biology with a minor in chemistry. Completed directed individual studies with Dr. Art Frampton entitled Identification of CHHV5 presence in blood samples of sea turtles using PCR and gel electrophoresis, and another directed individual study with Dr. Sridhar Vardarajan entitled Synthesis of Anti-Inflammatory Drugs for Neurodegenerative Diseases. They are an international student from India with future plans to complete a post-baccalaureate nursing with hopes to do clinical research while practicing as a nurse. Jose Gomez Espinal, major in biology. Olivia Goodnight, major in biology.
Hannah Gortney, major in biology with a minor in forensic science. Hannah was a research intern at the Plastic Ocean Project and a butterfly house intern at Airlie Gardens in Wilmington, North Carolina during the summer of 2019. Also completed a semester abroad in Fiji and is not 100% sure of her future plans. Lauren Gotcher, major in biology. Bryce Go, major in biology. Shay Grady, with a major in biology and a minor in chemistry. Also completed an honors thesis with Dr. Stephanie Kamel entitled Geographic Patterns of Genetic Diversity, Kin Structure, and Gene Flow in North Carolina Populations of the Gopher Frog, Lithobates capito. Future plans are to complete a graduate degree at San Francisco State University in research-intensive pedagogical training for interdisciplinary estuarine scientists. Nicholas Grand, major in biology. Emily Green, with a double major in marine biology and environmental science with biological option, as well as a minor in chemistry. Emily completed a DIS with Dr. James Rottenberg in the Environmental Science Department entitled The Environmental Literacy of Four Majors at UNCW. Also completed an internship at the Sea Life Park Hawaii in Hawaii, as well as a study abroad at James Cook University in Townsville, Australia. Future plans include an internship for rescue, rehabilitation, and release of southern sea lions in Peru, with hopefully a job in animal care or environmental education. Brooke Griffin, major in marine biology with marine conservation option and minor in neuroscience. Emily Michelle Gross, with a double major in marine biology and psychology, also completed an honors thesis with Dr. Ann Pabst on examination of the extrinsic eye muscles of the bottlenose dolphin. Completed an internship at the Georgia Aquarium as an otter training intern and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Otter Stranding intern in Homer, Alaska. Also completed the Semester by the Bay program at Homer, Alaska. Emily plans at working at a zoo or an aquarium or whatever opportunity comes her way. Nicholas Hall Ruiz, with a major in biology. Jenna Hanlon, with a major in marine biology. Joseph Hansen, with a major in marine biology with marine conservation option and a minor in computer science. Completed an internship at the North Gulf Oceanic Society cetacean intern in Homer, Alaska. Completed the Semester by the Bay program in Alaska. Joseph will be continuing to work with the North Gulf Oceanic Society and eventually plans to go to graduate school to pursue a master's and eventually a doctorate. Kaylin Harrell, with a double major in marine biology and environmental science with biological option and a minor in chemistry. Completed an honors thesis with Dr. Amy Wilbur entitled The Prevalence and Intensity of Mud Blister Worms, Polydora, on cultured oysters from different North Carolina farms. Also completed a study abroad at James Cook University in Townsville and took a UNCW honors college trip to Costa Rica. In the fall of 2020, Kaylin is pursuing a Master of Professional Science degree, the University of Miami's Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science. Tanner Heath, with a double major in marine biology and environmental science with a biological option. Sarah Helmy, with a major in biology and 2 minors in chemistry and Spanish. Completed a DIS looking at the use of EHV1 to attack triple-negative breast cancer cells, and also completed a study abroad to Chile. Sarah will be attending the Herman Ostrow Dental School of USC. Edson Hernandez Zavala, with a major in biology. Kaylee Marie Herman, with a double major in marine biology with conservation option and environmental science with a biological option. Completed an honors thesis with Dr. Michael Tift entitled Determination of Endogenous Carbon Monoxide Content from Tissues of the Common Bottlenose Dolphin, Tursiops truncatus. Also was a Noah Hollings Scholarship Summer Intern in Sandy Hook, New Jersey, and completed a study abroad program at James Cook University in Townsville, Australia. Currently working for environmental consulting with various engineering firms. If the job market does not yield a position for Kaylee within the next few months, she has plans to apply to grad school to complete her master's in marine biology or environmental science. Donna Hewlett, with a major in biology. Erin Hillbrands, with a major in biology and a double minor in psychology and neuroscience.
Sydney Hines, major biology, minor chemistry, an alchemy internship experience at UNCW's CMS, future plans to potentially pursue an online master's degree while working in the pharmaceutical industry, also working to start a business, and eventually would like to become a doctor. Raven Hunter Mahanipua, Hearth Rusk, major marine biology, 3 minors, neuroscience, psychology, women and gender studies, an SECU fellowship, worked with the Blade and Smart START program, a finalist for the Lead for North Carolina Fellowship. Bradley Layback, major marine biology. Malin Hodges, major biology and a minor in Spanish. Jonathan Hoffman, major biology, a DIS with Dr. Stephen Wichitska, research dealing with the vaping exclusively experience of prior smokers, and a DIS with Dr. Art Frampton, research involving equine herpes virus 1, attending medical school at LECOM Bradenton, Florida in the fall. Samuel Holdsworth, major biology, minor in chemistry, an honors thesis with Dr. Stephen Kinsey, the effects of exercise mimetic drug, beta-GPA on autophagy markers in neural cells. Future plans to attend medical school. Elizabeth Howard, first major, marine biology, second major, environmental science with a biological option, an intern at the Port Royal Sound Foundation in Beaufort, South Carolina, study abroad in Belize, and will be applying for jobs up and down the East Coast. Lauren Elizabeth Howell, major in biology, minor in chemistry. Future plans are continued education while pursuing a career in the pharmaceutical industry. Dalton Huntington, major biology with terrestrial and freshwater conservation option and a minor in chemistry. Alexandra Ingman, major biology, a DIS and honors with Dr. Kevin Kaiser, mechanisms for reduced sensitivity of triclosan by point mutations in the promoter region of Fable and Staphylococcus aureus isolated from healthy carriers. Hannah Izzle, major marine biology, a DIS with Mr. Troy Elfin studying the culturing of amphipods, interned with the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher, studied abroad at James Cook University in Australia, and future plans a continued degree in marine biology. Rebecca James, first major marine biology with marine conservation option, second major environmental science with a biological option, honors thesis with Dr. Tom Langford, the overwintering movements and habitat of young of the year white sharks in the Northwest Atlantic, a Noah Hollings undergraduate scholarship in Gloucester, Massachusetts, studied abroad at James Cook University in Townsville, Australia, and plans to attend graduate school and focus research on marine spatial ecology of highly migratory species, but will be taking a year off first. Nolan Jameson, major biology, minor neuroscience. Noah Jenkinson, a major in biology. McKinley Johnson, major biology, minor chemistry. Robert Johnson, major biology, a minor in psychology. Justin Jones, major biology, second major, a BA in psychology, and 2 minors, one in neuroscience and the other in Asian studies. Alexis Doria Kemp, major marine biology, a DIS with Dr. Tom Langford on the topic of growth rate comparison of the southern spiny dogfish to its northern counterpart. The study abroad at the University of Southampton, United Kingdom, and will be a counselor with Marine Quest this summer.
Brandon King, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Madison Kitcheen, major biology, minor in business. Grace Kreider, Bachelor of Science in marine biology, minor in psychology. Grace conducted study abroad at James Cook University in Australia and plans to continue on to graduate school. Nicole Langham, Bachelor of Science degree in biology, with a minor in forensic science and a minor in psychology. Trip LaPratte, major in biology with the terrestrial and freshwater conservation option. Robert Lemons, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Jonte Lindsay, Bachelor of Science degree in marine biology. Diana Luther, major in biology with a minor in anthropology. Lauren Mansfield, Bachelor of Science degree in marine biology. Lauren Marley, Bachelor of Science degree in marine biology with marine conservation option, with a second major in environmental science with biological option, and a minor in chemistry. Lauren conducted an internship at the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue and Rehabilitation Center in Surf City, North Carolina, study abroad at James Cook University in Townsville, Australia, and plans to finish a dive master course and eventually move to New Zealand. Emily Matthew, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Emily will be attending Salisbury University in the fall, pursuing a master's degree in biology. Katie Maxwell, Bachelor of Science degree in biology with a minor in neuroscience. Marilu Maynor, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Callie McBride, Bachelor of Arts degree in biology with a minor in forensic science. Caroline McGann, Bachelor of Science degree in marine biology. Caroline conducted an internship at the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue and Rehabilitation Center in Surf City, North Carolina, and study abroad at James Cook University in Townsville, Australia, plus a semester in Homer, Alaska with the Semester by the Bay program. For the future, Caroline will be heading to Colorado in May for an internship at the Walking Mountain Science Center and hopefully to Maui, Hawaii in November to work for an ecotourism company. Kelsey McKay, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Margaret Menden, Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Victoria Minyeko, Bachelor of Science degree in marine biology, a second major in environmental science with biological option, and a minor in English. Victoria conducted an honors project with Dr. Martin Posey studying mercury concentrations in the muscle tissue of red drum from 2 coastal river systems. Victoria conducted an internship in science communication at Cape Fear River Watch in Wilmington, and study abroad through a short-term faculty-led program in Iceland and a semester abroad in Southampton, England. Future plans include taking a gap year before attending graduate school for marine biology. And after graduation, Victoria will be working with the Atlantic White Shark Conservancy in Cape Cod as a research intern.
Bailey Miller, major in biology. Future plans are to attend naturopathic medical school at Bastrop University in Washington State in the fall. Savannah Victoria Miller, major in biology and a minor in Spanish. Did an honors thesis with Dr. Catalano and Dr. Taylor titled A One Health Perspective on the Prevalence of Paralytic Shellfish Toxins and its impact on Alaska native subsistence. She also served as a Noah Hollings Scholar for the Sitka tribe in Sitka, Alaska, and completed an internship at the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C. She studied abroad in Santander, Spain, and so future plans include a master's in public health at Emory University and pursuing a medical degree afterwards. Kennedy Mintz, major in biology. Hannah Clarice Mitchell, major in marine biology with a second major in environmental science. She completed a departmental honors with Dr. Jesse Jarvis, titled Sublethal Indicators of Stress in Seagrass, Zostera marina. Her future plans are to obtain work experience in the biology field before applying to graduate school. Christy Mae Mitchell, major in marine biology with a minor in psychology. She completed a directed independent study with Dr. Michael Tift, titled Carbon Monoxide Production in Marine Mammals. Her future plans are to attend graduate school at UNCW, in particular the master's program in marine biology. Philip Moghaddam, major in marine biology, completed a study abroad in San Jose, Costa Rica, and his future plans include attending graduate school to obtain a master's degree. Sean Murray, major in biology. Elizabeth Claire Nakamura, major in biology with a minor in chemistry. She conducted a directed independent study with Dr. Tom Langford, titled Comparison of Spiny Dogfish Growth Rates of the North and South Contingents. She also served as an intern at the NOAA Fisheries Lab in Beaufort, North Carolina for 2 years. She did a study abroad in Fiji in the summer of 2019 and a Belize trip in the spring of 2020. Her future plans are to help conserve future oceanic species and environments and push for greater conservation methods, and also to tag and track highly migratory shark species to learn more about their lifestyles. Evan Oliva, major in biology. Connor O'Mealy, major in marine biology with a minor in forensic science. Connor completed a directed independent study with Dr. Tom Langford called The Design and Construction of an Intertidal Mesocosm to study feeding habits of intertidal fish. He completed an internship at the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Hospital in Topsail, North Carolina, did a study abroad at the tropical marine ecology in Western Australia, and his future plans are to attend graduate school studying anthropogenic stressors and their effects on marine megafauna, specifically sea turtles. Elizabeth Osborne, major in marine biology with a marine conservation option. Kayla Page, major in biology. Angel Palacios, major in biology with a minor in Spanish. Rosalie Danielle Paroli, with a major in biology and a minor in neuroscience. She completed an internship at the Geriatrics Research Center at Montefiore Medical Center in the Bronx. And future plans to start a dual graduate program at the University of Lynchburg in Virginia. The program includes a master's in physician assistant studies, followed by a doctorate of medical science. Riley Marie Pate, major in biology with a minor in clinical research, completed an internship at PPD in Wilmington during the fall of 2019. And Riley has been accepted into UNCW's MS in Clinical Research and Product Development program. She'll use her extended year of NCAA eligibility to play softball at UNCW for another season as well. Akshi Patel, major in biology, completed a directed independent study with Dr. Carolina Priester, studying muscle stimulation during yoga poses, completed a study abroad in Maynooth, Ireland, and is going to take a gap year before applying to medical school. Dylan Paulson, major in biology, completed an honors thesis with Dr. Joseph Covey, titled Testing the Effects of Coal Combustion Residuals on Dormant and Developing Zooplankton. Also planning to take a gap year before applying to medical school. Christian Perez, major in biology, minor in chemistry.
Corey Pettigrew, BA in biology. Allison Phelan, BS in biology with a minor in clinical research. Did a DIS in a molecular genetics lab with Dr. Siri Wardana. And future plans are to take the MCATs and apply to medical school within the next year. Lacey Phillips, BS in biology. Stephen Polasek, BS in biology with a minor in chemistry. Rosa Isela Ponce Vargas, BS in biology with a minor in chemistry. Did a DIS with Dr. Stein in Costa Rica titled Alcohol Content and Color Association, a look at the learning ability of the butterfly Morphopallades. Future plans are to travel the world and help with the conservation of threatened or endangered plants and animals. Kaylin Quigley, BS in biology, did a study abroad in Valencia, Spain, and future plans are to go to graduate school to become a registered nutritionist. Megan Reeves, BS in marine biology, did a DIS with Dr. Koopman on the calorimetry values of Arctic zooplankton, worked as a lab assistant for Dr. Lowe and Dr. Valetti for almost 4 years, also worked with Dr. Emsley, was vice president of the Women in Science and Engineering program for a year. Future plans are to go to graduate school in the fall under Dr. Emsley to study Adele penguins. Julia Reinhardt, BS in marine biology with marine conservation option. Peyton Reynolds, BS in biology. Sarah Brem, dual major, BS in marine biology, and majored in environmental science with biological option. Kayla Rywestall, BS in biology and a minor in chemistry. Blaze Rodman, BS in biology, minor in chemistry. Did a DIS with Dr. Morgan in the chemistry department, titled Synthesis of Gamma-Lactam Rings. Raquel Rooney, BS in biology with a minor in chemistry. Did a DIS with Dr. Frampton, entitled Emerging Viruses. Future plans are to go to physician assistant school. Joseph Rupert, BS in biology. Henry Bryan, BS in marine biology. Jordan Campbell Saunders, BS in biology with a minor in forensic science. Did an internship at the New Hanover County Sheriff's Office in the CSI unit and Detectives Division. Future plans are to attend basic law enforcement training at CFCC in the fall, and then apply for employment at the New Hanover Sheriff's Office. Spencer Saunders, BS in biology.
Lisa Schaefer, major marine biology with marine conservation option. Savannah Simpson, double major marine biology and environmental science with biological option. Julia Singer, major marine biology with marine conservation option and a minor in sustainability. Honors project with Dr. Amanda Williard entitled Utilizing Blue Crab Morphometric Analyses to Inform Bycatch Reduction Strategies for the Diamondback Terrapin. And DIS in Psychology with Dr. Kate Bruce entitled Discover the Wonder of Birds, a preliminary study on the impact of early environmental education on 4th grade students. Internship at Wilmington Earth Day Festival, study abroad in Belize and Australia, and future plans include moving to Washington, D.C. to attend American University for a Master in Public Policy. Charlotte Slaughter, major biology. Landon Smith, major biology. Michaela Smith, major biology with a minor in forensic science. Peyton Smith, major biology with a minor in forensic science. Michaela Sonnenfeld, double major, marine biology and environmental science with biological option. Independent project with Allison Taylor, investigating the calcium transport pathway in coccolithophores using SERCA inhibitors. Study abroad in England and Bermuda, and future plans include getting a master's in biological oceanography with work on research cruises. Nicole Steigers, major biology. Linda Taylor, major marine biology. Sean Tennant, major biology with a minor in chemistry. James Thompson, major biology. Sarah Timberlake, major marine biology. Lance Tu, major biology with a minor in chemistry. Erin Nicole Toy, major marine biology with a minor in neuroscience. Independent project with Dr. Art Frampton and Mrs. Tara Clancy. Research topic is called Identifying the Presence of CHHV5 in Wild Sea Turtle Blood, Investigating the Prevalence in 3 species of turtles off the North Carolina coast. Internship at the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Rescue Center, and future plans include volunteering for the Museum of Natural Sciences in Raleigh before applying to grad school to pursue a doctorate in neuroscience. Catherine Travis, major marine biology. Isaac Upchurch, major biology. Congratulations to all of you.
Miguel Vargas, BS in Marine Biology with a Marine Conservation option. Future plans to pursue a career in aquaculture and eventually work with the NC Fish and Wildlife Services. Julia Villanella, BS in Biology. Nyasia Waddell, BS in Biology. Francissa Wallace, BS in Biology. Dorothy Michelle Weatherford, BS in Biology with a minor in Environmental Studies. Elizabeth Ann Webster, BS in Biology with a minor in Chemistry. Future plans to take a year off to travel and then attend PA school in the fall of 2021. Ryan Nicholas Whitey, double major, BS in Marine Biology and BA in German. DIS with Dr. Stephanie Kamel, studying the evolution of personality in snails. Introductory research freshman year looking at sigma spicules of Caribbean sponges. Study abroad in Bremen, Germany and Salzburg, Austria. Future plans to attend the University of Bremen for a master's in marine biology or the University of Miami for a master's of professional science in aquaculture. Anna Daniela Welsh, BS in Biology with a minor in data science. Study abroad at Stellenbosch University in South Africa in spring 2019 and volunteered at Vlattenberg Primary School while in South Africa. Future plans to travel and get a master's in a bioinformatics program for computational biology. Bernard Williams Jr., BS in Biology. DIS with Dr. Jacob Warner, investigating the role of cilia during embryogenesis of the sea anemone Nematostella vectensis. Future plans, a doctorate in physical therapy. Brittany Wilson, BS in Marine Biology with a Marine Conservation option. Internship with North Gulf Oceanic Society in Homer, Alaska. Study abroad to Homer, Alaska with the Semester by the Bay program. Future plans will be attending graduate school at Edinburgh Napier in Scotland. Caroline Wilson, BS in Biology. Christopher Wilson, BS in Biology. Jared Wolbert, BS in Biology with minors in neuroscience and psychology. Carabeth Nicole Yance, BA in Biology. Ariel Yeager, BS in Biology, future plans to pursue a nursing degree after graduation. Keandre Yeoman, BS in Biology. Stay cool, Keandre. It was a pleasure having you in class this past couple of years. Juan Danielle Zuluaga, BS in Biology with terrestrial and freshwater conservation option. Research with Dr. Ray Danner on bird migration. Future plans, working on Cape Hatteras studying least turn nest buffer distances, then starting PhD in fall 2020 here at UNCW, studying thermoregulatory behaviors in least turns. Congratulations all.
And those are all of our graduates. Let's have another round of applause for everyone.
Yay.
Congratulations. Remember, even though this ceremony is virtual, your accomplishments and achievements are not. Be proud of who you are and what you've done. We all in the department are very proud of you and look forward to telling you that in person when we can. So good luck, congratulations, and we will see you very soon.
Congratulations.